I think what we've seen is nothing short of a miracle on the scientific development front, right? And the pace of discovery is in excess of Moore's law. And the issue that has now shifted, and I think really broadened the focus of the industry, is how do you consume these technologies and do it in a streamlined way that is both obviously protective of patient safety as well as really managing COGS for true scale out. And I think the opportunity we have now, and it is in concert with regulatory bodies as well as the actual HCPs, the healthcare practitioners and the clinicians who are helping us administer these therapies, and all the other providers in the ecosystem, the logistics, the quality control, any of the pieces of the chain, to find the opportunities to align and standardize. And so in our panel, we did touch on this unique patient identifier or chain of identity as being one very solvable part of a very complex set of scaling out challenges, where if we can just align, especially in a global environment we're all operating in, on a single configuration for chain of identity, it's going to help us really manage these products, in real time at scale. Same with labeling. The labels look very different, often even country to country within a single continent like the EU. And that really places an undue burden on our partners, particularly the HCPs, but also the other folks who are moving product for us, in making sure always the right therapy is received by the right patient at the right time. So these are some of the challenges I think are really solvable. There's a very long list, but I think we just need to start bringing down some of these standards and putting them into practice. And obviously everything, like every aspect of what we do in cell and gene therapy, there's always going to be evolution, and there will be iteration even on chain of identity or labeling conventions. But let's start somewhere and let's iterate together, because I think as we grow, the urgency grows and the concern about patient safety risk becomes even further magnified.